Ultimately, it occurred. The price of Shiba Inu is finally increasing, recovering a significant portion of the losses incurred during the previous downturn. Individuals are commemorating. However, something is blocking Shiba Inu. Approximately $515 trillion in Shiba Inu is being retracted. However, a more significant event occurred today. All individuals have entered. The desired era has finally started. This will elevate Shiba Inu to the top 3 cryptocurrencies. What is occurring? What am I discussing? Allow me to explain. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. Today is the anticipated day. Shiba Inu is ultimately overcoming the curse. Following an interminable period of decline, the price is now trending upward, and one can practically see the collective sigh of relief from the community. Shiba Inu has seen an increase in value throughout the last 24 hours. Although the percentage may seem little, it is substantial when one considers the difficulties encountered in recent days. The market was bleak, with prices consistently declining. However, circumstances are finally improving. This is a moment of jubilation for everyone who persevered throughout challenging times. What is the most astonishing aspect? Upon examining the weekly chart, one will see something much more exhilarating. Shiba Inu is beginning to recover from its significant losses. Indeed, it remains in the negative. However, the trajectory is changing. That is precisely what we needed to see. The gradual but consistent healing is occurring. For the first time in an extended period, it seems we are moving towards a more favorable outcome. The market seems to be stabilizing, providing Shiba Inu holders with a welcome respite from the turmoil. Nevertheless, the significant threat remains there, necessitating continued vigilance. One expert asserts that Shiba Inu encounters a significant barrier of resistance, and overcoming it will be challenging. A formidable barrier level in recent trading history is imminent, characterized by an extensive accumulation of tokens over $515 trillion at a pivotal price point. Following the severe correction in recent weeks, Shiba Inu has ultimately achieved a degree of stability and is exhibiting indications of recuperation. However, there exists a dilemma. Numerous investors who purchased at elevated prices remain at a loss, hence generating significant selling pressure. A multitude of investors is anticipating a price increase sufficient to enable them to sell at break-even or with little profit, so complicating Shiba Inu's ascent. The current price is within a region where about 75,000 addresses own 515 trillion tokens, establishing this as a critical battlefield. This process operates in a straightforward manner. Addresses are classified according to their profitability status at current pricing. If the price exceeds their purchase cost, they are profitable. If it is lower, they are out of the cash and more inclined to sell whenever the price increases. With several holders positioned at this critical level, the resistance is substantial. If Shiba Inu successfully surpasses this significant obstacle, the situation might become rather exhilarating. Herein is the matter. This may not only be an arbitrary price fluctuation. One researcher suggests that Shiba Inu may be preparing for a significant power play with more conspicuous indicators. In the previous week, there has been a significant decline, and over the past month, the decrease has been much more pronounced. However, here is when the situation becomes exhilarating. Shiba Inu is now trading inside a critical zone, significantly far from its historic all-time high in 2021. The significant disparity has prompted experts to seek indications of a resurgence, with some asserting that we are nearing such an event. Analyst Raven Cartel sees the possibility for significant developments. Their data indicates that Shiba Inu remained inactive throughout the recent meme currency rise, but this may alter in the next months. If historical patterns recur, we may be seeing the inception of a new meme coin cycle, with Shiba Inu perhaps at its core. Concurrently, another expert, Token Talk, identifies a rising channel pattern, a configuration that often indicates a sustained rise, provided the support levels remain robust. If they fail to do so, there is a potential of further decline, yet the struggle continues for now. Next is Javan Marks, who is presenting the most audacious forecast to yet. He observes a breakthrough from a descending wedge pattern recognized for precipitating significant movements. If this unfolds as anticipated, Shiba Inu may surge significantly, maybe nearing its all-time high once again. That is a significant assertion. Nevertheless, if momentum continues to escalate, it is not wholly implausible. However, you may be questioning what is really occurring. What accounts for the recent bullish sentiment? Shiba Inu is not the only entity making progress. Bitcoin is seeing significant growth, approaching the substantial six-figure threshold. Currently, it is surpassing significant resistance levels, and experts anticipate a potential breakout surge. The price movement of Bitcoin is changing, with signs reflecting new vigor. Increased capital is re-entering the marketplace, and Bollinger Bands suggest a potential trend reversal. If Bitcoin surpasses the next obstacle, it may reach 90,000 and may be above that value. Herein is the key. When Bitcoin fluctuates, the whole market is impacted. If this rise persists, it might become rather exhilarating for Shiba Inu and other assets. However, an even more significant event occurred today, perhaps serving as the primary catalyst propelling Shiba Inu to unprecedented levels. Recent reports indicate that Bitcoin application downloads in the UAE have significantly increased, reflecting a substantial rise in interest. AppsFlyer reports that the adoption of crypto applications in the area has shown remarkable development, with downloads more than tripling relative to the previous year. This tendency became more evident in the latter half of the calendar year, with downloads continuously reaching new highs, particularly in the last months. AppsFlyer identifies many primary factors contributing to this increase, with the result of the U.S. presidential election being one of the most significant. Market analysts assert that Trump's pro-cryptocurrency position has significantly contributed to increased public engagement in the sector. Despite the surge in downloads, maintaining user engagement has proven to be a difficulty. This expansion is mostly driven by assertive marketing strategies. Almost 50% of the traffic originates from sponsored advertisements. The true evaluation will be whether these new users remain engaged over the long run. The statistics are unequivocal. The interest in cryptocurrency inside the UAE is surging, and such momentum may have a ripple effect throughout the whole industry. The influx of millions of new users has resulted in a notable increase for Shiba Inu. This is quite substantial for Shiba Inu, and here is the why. If you have been monitoring our prior movies, you are well aware that Shiba Inu has established a remarkable rapport with the UAE. With the surge in cryptocurrency usage in the area, this may be the pivotal moment that elevates Shiba Inu to a new echelon. As millions of new consumers enter the cryptocurrency market, the likelihood of Shiba Inu attracting their interest significantly increases. Shiba Inu is not only a meme currency capitalizing on trends, it has transformed into a significant entity with genuine usefulness, continuous growth, and an expanding ecosystem. Contemplate the implications of this in a context such as the UAE. This is not an ordinary market. This is among the wealthiest and most powerful financial centers globally. The nation has been establishing itself as a worldwide frontrunner in blockchain and cryptocurrency use, implementing progressive legislation that draws significant investments. This indicates that we are not just seeing ordinary retail investors entering the Shiba Inu market. Significant cryptocurrency investors may be entering the market. When affluent investors get involved, the price might fluctuate in unprecedented ways. This may generate a surge of fresh momentum, elevating Shiba Inu's value and increasing its visibility. The confluence of a burgeoning cryptocurrency market, Shiba Inu's established connections with the UAE, and the prospective engagement of affluent people may provide an optimal scenario for significant developments. Should institutional investors or significant financial entities choose to engage, we may see a substantial increase in both price and adoption. Although Shiba Inu has always shown its reliability, this may be a pivotal moment. Transformative moment that elevates it to unparalleled levels. The burgeoning cryptocurrency market in the UAE may serve as an ideal stimulus to propel Shiba Inu into its next significant surge. Should it occur, the benefits might be very remarkable. At this juncture, things get quite intriguing. An expert has delineated the requirements for Shiba Inu to ascend into the top 3 digital currencies globally. Last week, Satoshi Kazama, the enigmatic leader of Shiba Inu, unveiled an ambitious ambition. He asserts that Shiba Inu is poised to emerge as a worldwide superpower in the next years, aiming to rank among the best 5 cryptocurrencies. However, several members of the community are contemplating more ambitious ideas. Is it possible for Shiba Inu to get into the top 3? The current market prices of the top 3 digital currencies are astonishing. The highest figure is in the trillions, but the second and third positions are in the hundreds of billions. Concurrently, Shiba Inu has a much lower position in the rankings, has a market capitalization below $10 billion. To get into the very top 3, Shiba Inu must surge by almost 1,000%, elevating its market capitalization over $160 billion. Should that occur, the price per coin would see a dramatic increase, transforming a modest investment today into a substantial sum. A prominent cryptocurrency expert has indicated that the altcoin season may be starting sooner than anticipated. He asserts that the transition has started. Stablecoin holders are now investing in altcoins, rather than money moving straight from Bitcoin to altcoins as previously seen. Currently, cryptocurrencies are seeing far higher trading volume than Bitcoin, indicating that market activity is intensifying. The focus has shifted beyond Bitcoin domination. It pertains to the locus of activity. Currently, it is invested in cryptocurrencies. However, there is a complication. The alt season is quite selective. While not all altcoins are seeing gains, those with robust foundations and genuine usefulness are attracting significant attention. What do you think? Shiba Inu is centrally positioned inside it. Given its expanding environment, substantial community, and significant developments occurring behind the scenes, this may be an optimal opportunity for Shiba Inu to ascend. What is your perspective on this matter? Please leave a comment below. The date is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.